Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's POS setup and management. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. So, let's begin. Now, let's set up your point of sale system. By default, the system already creates a counter for you, so you can start processing orders right away. But if your restaurant runs with multiple counters, let's see how you can set them up for smoother POS operations. Go to POS Management in the sidebar, click on Counters, then select Create New Counter. Enter the counter number and choose a floor. If you don't have a floor set yet, just click Add New Floor. Give it a name, set the maximum table capacity, maximum person capacity, and upload an image. Once that's done, return to the counter setup and repeat the same process. This time, you'll see the floor you've just created available for selection. From the left navigation, click on New Sale. Here, you'll see the full POS layout, with details on both the left and right panels. Let's place an order so you can see how it works. First, click on the food item and add it to the cart. On the right side, choose the order type. Notice the token number is generated automatically. You can select whether the customer is a walk-in or add a new customer by entering their name, phone number, and email. If needed, you can also link the order to a reservation. You get the option to add the number of people, floor number, and table number. The cart list shows all items added to the order. Below that, in the billing section, you'll find a full price breakdown. From here, you can apply an extra discount or a coupon discount. For example, I'm adding a $5 discount. Next, choose whether the customer wants to pay first or after eating, and then select their preferred payment method. At this stage, you can either place the order or hold it. I'll place the order now. Once the order is placed, you'll see a pop-up with invoice options. Menumium lets you print invoices for a specific user, like the customer or the kitchen, or print the entire one, or skip printing if you prefer. Clicking View Order takes you to the order details page. Here, you can link the order to a reservation if there's one, view the payment info, customer details, and even update the order status. For example, if I change the status from confirmed to eating, you'll see it update instantly in the history log. From this page, you can also print the invoice again if needed. I'll skip that for now. At the top, you'll see notifications for ongoing orders. Clicking here shows all current order details. If I change the status from eating to completed, you'll see the order disappear from the ongoing list. Similarly, held orders can be tracked through the Hold Order button. You can also expand the POS to an enlarged view or manage coupons and discounts directly from here. Let's see how you can make a reservation directly from the POS. First, add the food items to the cart. Now click on the Make Reservation button at the top. Here, set the date and time, enter the number of people, and select the floor and table. Next, provide the customer's details, like name and phone number. You can also set an advance booking fee. Just a quick note here. You won't be able to make reservations from POS without having your floors set up first, and you can adjust the advance booking fee amount from the Table and Reservation Management section. Once you've entered everything, click Confirm, and the reservation is successfully created. To view your reservations, go to the left navigation and click on Table and Reservation, then Manage Reservation, and finally Reservation List. From here, you'll see the full reservation details, where you can edit payment info, order links, and customer information. On the three-dot menu, you'll also find all the quick actions, including the option to cancel the reservation. Going back to the POS terminal, on the upper left side, you'll notice a button called View Shortcut. Clicking this will open a list of keyboard shortcuts designed to speed up different phases of order taking and management. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!